Behind the scenes. It's good stuff.
Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by.
Projects and more projects. So today we are working on cleaning the rope. So the red bucket is full of water with mild dish detergent where I give a good scrub in there, and then I go back through and give each line a rinse several times through. Cass made me a piece. It's a PVC piece that screws right onto our hose and makes it super easy for me to clean the lines and freshen them up for the next season. It works great. Then I coil them and hang them out to dry. Got the winch covers all done, so they are on and tucked in. And we also added a bag underneath so that when it rains, it protects it, because there's actually quite a bit of water that gets down into the winches, surprisingly. So that's our solution for the winter, which would be really nice. It'll protect those real good. The next thing that we're working on today is the teak. So we have teak oil. We are doing a little bit of sanding on the teak of the doors and just doing some prep work. And then we'll come back and put teak oil on it. They are in desperate need. We've been needing to do this for a little while, and now it's getting done. So let's check it out. One step at a time. Always something to do on a boat. So what we're working on now is really just not doing a heavy sand on these, but just knocking down a little bit of the edges, smoothing it out just a little bit. So it's a pretty light sand, and when you do it, you want to make sure that you're always sanding with the grain. So check it out. Once we get done with this, then we'll prep for the teak oil. Perfect. We just have them propped up with a little Tupperware container. Let's process.
Okay, so pretty simple. You can either rag it on or you can brush it on. We're going to tip it on here because I like that easier, especially in all the little nooks and crannies. So concept is nice light coating. If you have any excess, you wipe it off.
Okay.
You don't leave any extra on. If you have to do another second coat, you come back after a couple hours and you put the second coat on. But
okay.
When we tip it on, you just nice even strokes with the grain. Obviously, we're going to go with that. It's just an oil, so it's not a stain. It's not as hugely important, but still best practices, as it were. So pretty simple.
Okay, let's get it. Just taking some of that excess oil off of the rubber, just to keep that mostly clear of just excess it doesn't need. I don't know. Just trying to wipe the, just wiping the oil off of the rubber. It doesn't need the excess on there.
Rubber doesn't need any oil.
No. So they've been sitting out now, just allowing the oil to absorb in. And we'll also be checking for lighter areas like this that we may come back and treat. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll do a second coat if it needs it.
But yeah, coming right along. It's looking good. So the next step is to actually come back with a rag and just wipe off the excess oil, and then we'll reapply. Yeah?
It's important to make sure that you use a t-shirt.
Yeah.
So, find an old crappy t-shirt that's you're never gonna wear. Cut the sleeves off it. Then you can use your body to rub everything off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shake it.
Wait, I should have put it on her. Dang it, sorry guys. Anyway, what you want is lint free. So
Yeah.
nothing with fuzzies or anything like that on it. So nice t-shirt material always works really good. I just happen to have an old C-Jet.
That we got for free when we did
so
a bunch of work on the car.
Perfect, cut off the sleeves. And it's super simple wipe down. Nothing complicated about this. Come through, you're just trying to take off. You can see it doesn't take off a lot. You just don't want any standing oil on it. That's
Okay.
it.
Let's go get the doors.
Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll try to stay out of there. You can see it pulling off any extra oil.
And just do that to both doors or wherever surface you've done.
Amen.
Yeah. I like the look.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah. Okay. I've got my own style going on now. We're gonna finish the project. So we decided one more coat on the doors, and we're gonna get that done. Just apply with the brush, same thing, going with the grain, and then we'll do a wipe off, and then just let it air out a little bit longer, and we should be about done. So yeah, looks so much better already. Yay! Check it out.
I'm doing behind the scenes, man.
Oh, nice. I like the behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Good stuff. So I have cookies in the oven. Yum. Always a good thing. And while we're waiting for the cookies to be baked, it's time to wipe these off. So should be the last time. They're looking good. It's the simple things. It doesn't take much, but they look so much nicer.
So if you haven't done teak in a while and it's pretty dry, the second coat is actually recommended, because what'll happen is you put the first coat on and you'll think it looks good, and then in a day or two, all of a sudden you'll see all the little dry spots that'll show back up.
So last winter was a pretty windy winter in Montenegro.
Very fine house.
Yeah, fine house. So it was really super windy, and during one of the storms, we actually lost 2 of our back, I don't know what you call the pieces.
We'll show you a picture.
Anyway, let me show you what we've lost. So there's a shield that goes here that covers. And we're not gonna find that piece out here. So what we did is we found some bent circles that fit perfectly. And all we have to do, what we're going to do is actually cut them down to size now, because what we initially did was just plug the hole, called it good. But we are hacking it down so that they will fit in there really nice. So that's the next thing to work on.
Yeah, it is.
So these are the vents. So it still allows for the venting, obviously.
What's the vent for, babe?
Huh?
What is the vent for?
What does it vent for?
So fresh air.
I need to take the cap out of your mouth. What does it vent for?
It's the fresh air for our engine intake.
Okay,
So it's
the engine needs to breathe.
It's essential.
It's critical.
It's essential.
Yes. So we have a hacksaw. And we're going to just trim these up and make them look real nice. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Look as good as we can.
yeah, it'll be good.
Let's see.
Test it out.
Is there a knippy up here?
Oh, that's so much nicer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, that's really clean. And so then we'll just clean up the glue that's around the outside. And it'll look nice.
Look great.
Yeah, I think that's a great solution.
It is a great solution.
Yeah. Let's check it out. Oh, that looks so nice. So much better.
That look better?
Yeah. Oh, that's a great solution. You happy with it?
Enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good fix.
All right, so my hesitation here isn't because I'm not happy with what we have. It's that I wasn't able to replace the exact piece that was ripped off the boat in the wind. So out here when you're boating, many times you're just making stuff work that you can find in the local shops. And these parts weren't even found in a chandlery. This was a Home Depot or a home parts place. And these are meant to be ventilation ducts for something else, not boat related at all, but exposed to the outside, so they still have the same UV protection. And they were the exact diameter that I needed them to fill the pipe that I had. And you just make work what you can make work when you're out on the water. It's one of the best parts and sometimes one of the most frustrating parts of being out here. All right, guys, cheers.
Good fix. So satisfying. They look so nice.
Oh, so satisfying. Before you videotape this, I have to see if this is gonna work. Oh my god, it totally worked.
Okay, good, because I'm already recording.
Nice.
How nice, yay. Beautiful. Wow. Those look great.
Yeah, they do.
Huge thanks to our patrons for helping to make our adventure possible.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.